Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Celebs Record. In this YouTube video, we describe that Scott and Kelly Wolf's 21 years marriage end in Jaws, and now shocking 9/11 audio reveals what really happened. So let's get right into the video. The Hollywood world was recently stunned by the unexpected and dramatic news of Scott Wolf and Kelly Wolf divorce. After more than 2 decades of marriage, the couple has officially decided to part ways. Shocking fans and followers who always admired their seemingly perfect family, the question and sparked heated debates amongst netizens, leaving everyone eager to know what truly went wrong behind these scenes. According to official reports, the situation surrounding their separation was far from peaceful. A distributing 9/11 call surfaced, revealing a heated domestic dispute at the family residence. Allegedly, the incredible involved a physical altercation, occasions of choking, and serious arguments over a mobile phone. Sources close to the couple claimed that tension had been building for months prior to the public fallout. Kelly Wolf, a well-known author and relationship expert, reportedly struggled with personal and professional pressures, which clashed with Scott Wolf's acting commitments and career resurgence. Fans have been quick to react to divorce drama on social media platforms, sharing their heartbreak and disbelief. Others voiced concern for the couple's children, wondering how this highly publicized and messy split will impact the family personal life and future. Meanwhile, legal experts suggest this case would turn into a bitter court battle if disagreement over finance, property divisions, or custody of the three children arise. With Scott Wolf, a long-standing acting career, and Kelly, public persona as a social coach, these cases in divorce are unusually and high could lead to the further media scrutiny in the coming weeks. Despite the shocking developments, both Scott and Kelly have asked for privacy and respect during this difficult time. Statements released by their representatives insist that the couple is focusing on maintaining a positive co-parenting relationship for the sake of their children. Many followers expressed sadness over the end of relationship they saw as one of Hollywood's real lasting love stories. Whether or not this hopeful settlement can with the pressures of an ongoing legal proceeding remains to be seen. These growing strains may have contributed to the breakdown of communication and understanding between the two. And that's the full story behind this Scott and Kelly Wolf shocking divorce drama. What do you think really went wrong? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Hollywood updates, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest celebrity news. See you in the next video and take care. All the best.